Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel Schoolmate. We have already discussed about sources of food. Today we will discuss about components of food. You might have found the people who has loss of vision in darkness and get tired very soon. Some people have bleeding in gum, some have decay in the tooth, some neck appears swollen. All are due to deficiency of nutrients. Diseases that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period are called deficiency disease. You already know that material need to prepare food are called ingredients and strong and healthy ingredients are called nutrients. And right amount of nutrients with roughage and water are called balanced diet. Our food contains mainly two types of components, major and minor. Major components are carbohydrate, protein and fat. Carbohydrate mainly provide energy to our body. We get sufficient amount of carbohydrate from sweet potato, sugar cane, papaya, melon, etc. Now second component is protein. Protein are needed for growth and repair of our body. They are also called bodybuilding foods. We also get sufficient amount of protein from animal source as well as plant source. Some animal source are paneer, fish, meat, egg, and plant source are peas, gram, moong, tur dal, beans and soya bean. Now third component is fat. Fat also give us energy. In fact, fat give us more energy as the compared to some amount of carbohydrate. Food containing fat and carbohydrate are also called energy giving food. We have sufficient fat in plant as well as animal sources. Plant source groundnuts, nuts, till, and animal source egg, fish and meat. We can easily test starch, protein and fat in our food. Now start with test of starch. We will take a small quantity of food item and add 2-3 drops of dilute iodine solution. We will observe change in color. If it appears blue or black, then the starch is present in the sample. Now test for protein. We will match a small quantity of food atom. Then we put this in a clean test tube and we will add 10 drops of water to it and shake that test tube. Now by using a dropper, we add 2 drops of solution of copper sulfate and 10 drops of solution of caustic soda. Till leave for few minutes and observe the color. If it turns to violet color, then the protein is present in the sample. We will take a small quantity of food item and wrap in the piece of paper and crush it. If an oily patch on the paper show that the food item contains fat. Apart from major components, there are minor components. It contains vitamin and minerals. Are divided into 4 parts: vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C and vitamin D. Vitamin A keeps our skin and eyes healthy. Some source of vitamin A are papaya, carrot and mango. By deficiency of vitamin A, we have loss of vision. Vitamin B give us muscles energy. Sources of vitamin B are liver, wheat and rice. In deficiency of vitamin B, the very disease we have. Vitamin C helps body to fight many diseases. Sources of vitamin C are amla, lemon, chili. Deficiency of vitamin C cause scurvy. Vitamin D help our body to use calcium for bones and teeth. Source of vitamin D are fish, egg, liver, milk, butter, etc. Vitamin D deficiency cause rickets. Our body also prepare vitamin D in the presence of sunlight. Nowadays, insufficient exposure to sunlight is cause vitamin D deficiency in many people. Our body needs small amount of minerals also. Fit. Its deficiency cause anemia. Sources are apple, spinach, liver, etc. Calcium keep our bone and teeth strong. Deficiency cause bone decay. Are egg and milk. Iodine give us mental ability. Deficiency cause goiter. Some sources are ginger, fish, etc. Thanks for watching our video. Like and subscribe it. Thanks.